Hello viewers, welcome to Ask Me In. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert complex object into a MongoDB. In the previous tutorial, we did see how to create a simple object and how to retrieve those simple objects in the collections. We all know that MongoDB is actually capable of handling a very complex objects. We can go ahead and store the complex object, we can update the complex objects and retrieve the complex object in MongoDB very easily. So let me go ahead and insert a complex document inside the user collection. So here I am inserting a document which consists of several fields. You can also see that it has a subdocument called as favorite which has its own field as well as field values. It also has an array called as finished, badges and points which has its own array of subdocuments also. So when I run this query, it actually goes and inserts a document inside the user collection. Now let me go ahead and insert one more complex object inside the user collection. So this is my second document which I am going to insert into the user collection. So this is also inserted successfully. Now let me clear everything and let me retrieve those documents. I'm going to type db.users.find and then I'm going to beautify it. In order to beautify, you have to type a pretty command. When I hit Ctrl Enter, you can see a beautified format of data. Now if I go ahead and verify document 1 and document 2, it contains different fields and the structure is entirely different. You can see that in document 2 there is a field called isActive, whereas in document 1 there is no isActive field. A document 1 has favorites subdocument which consists of artist and food field, but in document 2 it has a favorite subdocument but it consists of different field names called as sports, colors as well as dish. If you see in document 1 we do not have any users array, but in document 2 we have a users array and it has its own subdocuments. So this is actually fine in MongoDB. In a single collection you can go ahead and insert several documents which is of different structure. Now if you want to insert even a simple document inside this particular collection, you can go ahead and insert it. MongoDB will not restrict you on the structural or the schema part. Whereas in the SQL world, if you want to go ahead and achieve the same functionality, you will end up in creating lot of fields or columns. And then you have to store null values or you have to leave it as empty wherever you are not storing the data. Since MongoDB is loosely coupled, you do not have to go ahead and create the fields for each and every documents. Now if I want to insert a simple document into this collection, I can go ahead and do. So let me go ahead and clear all these things and let me go ahead and insert a simple document into our user collection. db.users.insert. I'm going to have an ID field here. I'll give a random ID and I'll have a name field. Name, I'll type it as Mark. I've missed the braces which I'll provide. So when I hit Ctrl Enter, you can see that even this simple object is actually inserted in my collection. Now when I give db.users.find and then if I beautify it, you can see all the three documents printed here. You can see document 1 and 2 is actually a complex document, but document 3 is very simple. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.